10 weirdest creatures captured on videos. Oh man, guys, have you watched that viral video of a mermaid waving at people? Well, we're still not sure if that video is real or whether it was edited, as some people claim that the video was photoshopped. Well, there is one thing that in this advanced world where Photoshop rules the photos and movies, it's hard to tell what's fake and what's real. Well, whatever. Welcome back, guys, to another exciting episode of Things You've Never Seen. Hope you're doing well. Oh yeah, I remember like a couple of days ago, different types of creatures were flooding over the internet, which looked like they were real. And yes, not only this, but that grainy photo of aliens taking the internet by storm, after which everyone was asking only one question: are they real? Well, where there are lists of fake photos floating over the internet, still there are strange photos of creatures that are unexplainable. Or we can say there are quite a few creatures on this planet that we didn't learn about in school. Today's video will be so interesting that we'll show you 10 creatures caught on camera whose identities are still a question mark for all. But before tapping that playing button, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting videos in the future. Number 10. Hoax of Portugal. What would you do if you saw such a creepy monster in the middle of a desert? Scared, right? Well, first of all, we don't know if it's real or fake, but yes, it does scare us. In this video shot in Portugal, a strange creature can be seen for just a few moments before hiding behind a plant. This weird video shows a creepy man-like monster quietly wandering through the desert. Some have claimed that it might be a chupacabra, a famous Central and South American goat eater that first appeared in Puerto Rico. In contrast, others have said that this video is a remarkable resemblance to Bigfoot. Not only this, there was a sarcastic comment that we enjoyed the most. Let's tell you, wow, it vanishes exactly behind the shrub that comes in the way of the cameraman. Strange. Yeah, that's the thing to be noted, by the way. Well, whether real or fake, this video is cool. Number 9. Blood red jellyfish. So if you're hunting for strange creatures that challenge explanations, the deep ocean is the place to go. Every year, experts catch fantastic images of unusual new species and alien-looking creatures in the depths. And yes, this year was the same as others. You won't believe, guys, as this time scientists found a blood red jellyfish that looks like it's not real. Experts from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration revealed the newly discovered blood red jellyfish type in August. As per the experts, the deep red jellyfish belongs to the genus Paralia. Well, they discovered the new jelly on July 28th at a range of roughly 2,300 feet close off the coast of Newport, Rhode Island, using a teleoperated vehicle. And yes, we are still shocked, as this jellyfish is something we've never seen before in our lifetimes. Number 8. Unexplainable walkers. So this unexplainable creature has made 2 different appearances at the same time. People have claimed that they have seen an unexplainable creature mostly at night near both Fresno and Yosemite. They not only claimed, but surprised us all by uploading a creepy video of an odd-looking creature crawling at night in the streets of Fresno and Yosemite. Looking like the lower half of a human in white, this creature has left all the people questioned. Are they real? What are these creatures? Are they aliens? How do they eat without hands? Yep, a big bunch of questions and only a few answers. Well, by the way, what do you think, guys? Are they real? What about driving all the way to Fresno? Maybe we can capture some creepy creatures too. Number 7. Shape-changing whale. Have you ever seen a whalefish changing its shape? Oh, you gotta be thinking like we're kidding, right? No way, guys. This time we are shocked too. Recently, through studies, experts discovered a whalefish in the deep ocean that changes its form from time to time. So it's all about August when Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute published a video of a neon orange female whalefish swimming around 6,600 feet deep offshore of Monterey Bay, California. And because of the 3 significantly different looks, almost nothing is known about this strange fish. Moreover, the 3 types are so dissimilar that researchers initially mistook them for 3 separate species. Oh man, a whalefish fooled scientists. And this is one of the most severe shape-shifting transformations among creatures, as it changes from male fish to mature females. Man! Number 6. Mysterious creature of Jodhpur. It's all about the city of Jodhpur, where a group of people got shocked while digging a well. While digging, they saw something unexpected. Some mysterious creature was found in the dirt, and obviously caught every archaeologist's attention. And once they fully discovered what it was, the photos went viral. You can see this human-looking creature was found who has only 4 fingers and no thumb, while having an alien-like head. No one knows exactly what it was, but some people said that it was an alien, while others said it's a statue of something, but no one knows the exact answer. Well, what do you guys think? What was it? Number 5, SpongeBob and Patrick. Are you guys a fan of SpongeBob and Patrick like us all? If yes, then there's a piece of good news for you. Scientists recently found a real-life SpongeBob and Patrick in the deep ocean. And yes, we cannot take our eyes off. They look the same as the cartoon. We are in love with this photo. So experts captured this square yellow sponge and 5-pointed pinkish ocean star off the coast of New Zealand on the 27th of July at a range of 6,184 feet in an exploration of the Retriever Seamount. But we really appreciate this effort because they've given us the real footage of SpongeBob and Patrick. Number 4, alien pigs. Well, the name sounds a little different, right? Like, we know pretty much about pigs, but what the hell are alien pigs? But recently, one of the Chinese farmers posted a photo of an alien pig and captioned it, "That's what comes out from my pregnant pig." Well, if we look at the baby pig, everything's normal until we look at its face. The alien face is something that grabs everyone's attention on social media. We're still confused about calling this creature a pig or a pig with an alien face. Number 3, man-bear pig. If you're a cartoon lover, maybe you've heard this name before. So a fictitious creature in the South Park cartoon named Man-Bear Pig was our favorite in childhood, and we wish we could see him in real life. And guess what? Our wish comes true. Recently in China, a creature was discovered in a polluted river that looks the same as a man-bear pig. After the photo went viral, some people said that's a bear while others thought it was a pig. But still, this creature is a mystery for all of us. Number 2, a see-through skull. So this time, scientists saw a barrel-eye fish for the first time in December. No doubt the deep sea has deep secrets inside it. So this strange animal, which was discovered by scientists, had a transparent skull that saw through a pair of big hazel eyes hidden within its head. How amazing it is. And our brave experts captured its photo while traveling at a range of roughly 2,132 feet in the Monterey submarine. Salute to all researchers. Number 1, tsunami creature. So it was about 2011 when Japan experienced a horrible earthquake, which resulted in a terrible tsunami. There were a number of photos floating over the internet, but among all, one stands out. Because this photo was not of a tsunami or an earthquake, it was something unexpected, something I've never seen before. One of the residents captures a video in which an unexplainable creature emerged from the water and ran on the streets. Well, no one knows exactly what it was. A piece of trash, a cat or a dog? What was it? Well, it's still a mystery. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you like our video, and if you enjoyed it, do share it with your friends and family. Also, tell us which parts of the video you liked the most, and if you were given a chance to pick up any of these strange creatures as a pet, which one would you choose? Comment below. We love to read your comments. Moreover, let us know which video we should do next. Till then, take care and bye-bye.